I don't see one price tag on a flight, I see three. Same plane, same destination, completely different worlds. One passenger paid $5,000. The one next to them, they paid $500. Today, I'm handing you the keys to the front of the plane. Let's be honest, economy is pure chaos. It's a physical marathon of fighting for armrests, eating out of foil packets, and praying the person in front doesn't recline. But business class changes everything. Real plates, glassware, a bed. It turns a commute into a vacation. Most people think that curtain is a money barrier. It's not. It's a knowledge barrier. I'm going to show you how to play mental chess with the airlines to book these seats for the price of coach. First up, let's talk about the gamble. Airlines hate flying empty premium seats. It's lost revenue. So many of them, British Airways, Delta, Air France, have introduced upgrade auctions. Here's the secret. You book the economy ticket, then you wait. About 72 hours before departure, you get an email or check the app inviting you to bid. This is where you have to play it cool. Most people ignore this, or they bid too high. You want to bid slightly above the minimum. It's mental chess. You anticipate their needs before they ask. If the cabin is empty, they will take your lowball offer just to fill the seat. I've seen passengers snag a lie-flat bed to Europe for a few $100s on top of their cheap ticket. You're getting a $5,000 experience for a fraction of the cost. You're essentially negotiating a clearance sale while everyone else paid retail. If auctions are gambling, this next strategy is investment banking. You need to stop looking at credit card points as cash back for a toaster. In the travel world, points are a currency stronger than the dollar, but you have to know where to spend them. We call these sweet spots. Don't transfer your Amex or Chase points directly to the airline until you find the deal. You're not a shopper, you're a sniper. For example, booking a Delta flight through Virgin Atlantic can sometimes cost half the points. Or using Air Canada's Airplan to book United flights. You look for Saver Awards. These are the golden tickets. And keep an eye out for transfer bonuses. Sometimes banks give you a 30% bonus when you move points to an airline. That means you could be flying business class to Asia for the equivalent of a domestic economy ticket. It takes a little work, but the return on investment? Unbeatable. Finally, let's talk about geography. Because sometimes where you fly matters more than how you book. Flying direct to London or Paris in July, that's asking for trouble. High demand, high prices, pure chaos. But if you're willing to be flexible, you can find incredible value. We call these positioning flights. Instead of flying straight to the expensive hub, look at secondary cities, Poland, Croatia, or look at routes like Miami to Rome in the off-season. Use tools like Cheap Flights app, URL in the description of video, and search for everywhere or look at the whole month view. You might find that leaving on a Tuesday instead of a Friday saves you $1,000. It's about zigging when everyone else zags. While they are fighting through the crowds at Heathrow, you're sipping champagne on a layover in Lisbon, having paid half the price. The curtain between economy and first class isn't made of iron, it's made of information. And now you have the codes. So tell me, which cabin would you work in? The auction gamble, the points hustle, or the clever route? Let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe. Safe travels.